Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir,
Sir, again, this is a combined class.
नहीं बेटा, it is a class of only class 4 students. You all are from
sir,
class
please do
4.
quiz. Can we do quiz? Can we do
No
quiz,
beta,
Can
sir?
we do quiz
not
on
today.
that only?
We will do the chapter that
Sir,
we were
ठीक है?
doing. We will continue with the chapter that we are doing.
Sir, I am coming
Okay,
in 1 minute.
okay beta.
Can we do the work on green screen?
Green screen. Yellow
Yes,
beta.
yes,
Happy?
sir. Okay, sir. Sir, there is also yellow screen in this.
हाँ बेटा.
Sir, in this there is yellow screen also.
No beta, there is no yellow screen.
Okay, sir, we will do in the board.
Sir,
Yes beta, I am just opening the book. Wait.
sir, you have the book.
Yes, beta, matlab my book is there on WhatsApp. I don't have the hard copy of the book. It is on WhatsApp. All thanks to Alankrita. She sent me the book on WhatsApp. Just because of Alankrita, I'm able to teach you all. Thank you, beta, Alankrita, so much.
You're welcome.
Chalo, beta. So, just a minute. Let me see one thing. Yeah, we were doing divisibility test. We have done all the tests. We have learned how to test
Sir,
the
can we
divisibility of a
revise?
number by 2, 3, 6, 5, 10, 9, all these numbers. How to check the divisibility of numbers by these numbers. Okay.
Sir, can you again tell for divisibility test with 5?
5. 5 is very, very easy, beta. I'm
Can I
telling
tell
you.
Babita? No, sir, the number 0 and which number?
The the numbers which end with 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. Okay. जो 0 से और 5 से एंड होते हैं, सॉरी, द नंबर्स विच एंड विद 0 और 5 आर डिविजिबल है. जिनके लास्ट में 0 आता है या 5 आता है वो नंबर 5 से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं. इजी. ठीक है, एक बार मैं सारे बता दूं जल्दी जल्दी से. हाउ टू चेक द डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ अ नंबर बाय 2. सबसे पहले 2 से आपको लास्ट में देखना होता है वेदर द नंबर इज हैविंग द डिजिट 2 इन द लास्ट और नॉट. Sorry, the last digit should be 2, 4. It should be an even number. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 अगर लास्ट में होगा then number will be divisible by 2. For example, 4, 6, 7, 8. This number is having the last digit 8, so therefore it is divisible by 2. 3 से कैसे चेक करते हैं? Suppose the number is again 4, 6, 7, 8. You add all the digits of the number 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. सारे रिवाइज करा रहा हूँ बेटा, ठीक है? So this the sum is 25. 25 is a multiple of 3 or not? No. So therefore the number is not divisible by 8. This number is, sorry, not divisible by 3. आया समझ में? Are you all getting it? How to check by 5? You just have
Yes,
to
sir.
see whether the number is having last digit 0 or 5. For example, 465. This number is having last digit 5, or if the number is ending with 0, for example, 8270. Again, the last digit is 0, so both the numbers are divisible by 5. If the last digit is not 5 or 0, then it will not be divisible by 5. Got it? 6 पे आ जाएं? तो 6 का बहुत इजी है. 6 के लिए आपको क्या करना है? 3 से और 2 से दोनों से चेक करना है. If the number is divisible by 2 or 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Okay? Clear है? आ गया 6 का. Then for 9, 9 से कैसे चेक करते हैं? Same as 3. For example, the number is 4699. Suppose this is the number 4698. Suppose this is the number. We have to check the divisibility of the number by 9. How to check? You just add all the digits. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9. What is the sum? Sorry, 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9. What is the sum? What do you get? 10 plus 9, 19 plus 8, 27. 27 is a multiple of 9 or not? Yes, it is a multiple. Therefore, we can say that the number is divisible by 9. Same है बिल्कुल 3 की तरह. Yes or no?
Sir, you have spoken very fast.
But have you all understood? It is just a revision. That's
Sir,
why
that speed
I'm
is
telling.
okay.
Because we are just revising. That is why I'm speaking so fast. Yeah. Okay. I hope you all are okay with it. Have you all understood?
Yes,
Let me speak slowly. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
sir, we have understood.
Very nice. If you are having any confusion in any of these, you can please ask me again. I will tell you again. Anyone, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझसे पूछ लो दोबारा. I am there for you all. I am there to help you all. Okay, all of you. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. कोई बच्चा पूछेगा मेरे से. पूछो बेटा.
Sir, but how can we check that if this number will be divided by 7 or 8?
7 or 8, we can check the divisibility of a number by 7 or 8 also. But 7 8 आपको बेटा, अभी आप लोग छोटे बच्चे हैं, 4th क्लास के बेचारे छोटे छोटे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हैं. अभी आप when you will,
Sir, please tell one time if you will not understand, that will be also okay.
नहीं, but
Yes.
that you are going to study in higher classes, so don't worry, don't take any tension of it. I'm not telling because otherwise you will have some confusion. That is why. हाँ बेटा.
Sir, you
Yes.
have not written a number of 6 and 10.
हाँ 6 का I told you, 6 के लिए you have to check by 2 and 3. If the numbers are divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. So check the divisibility by 2 and 3. दोनों से चेक करनी है. ये 2 से भी चेक करनी है, 3 से भी चेक करनी है. अगर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड हो गया नंबर, then it is divisible by 6. Clear? 10 से how do you check the divisibility of a number by 10? If the last digit of the number is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Same, simple, very easy, extremely easy. 5290. See, what is the last digit of the number? It is 0. Therefore, the number is divisible by 10. Okay, clear? Beta, what is this? Arhan, is this your Aadhaar card?
No, sir, they are, we can say about every country in world.
Acha,
Cards about their
okay.
information.
These are cards, and there is information about all the countries. I want to
Yes,
know
sir.
about New Zealand. Can you take out the card of New Zealand?
Sir, taking out once. Sir, it is only 52 cards. You can ask any other.
Okay, that means it is not having New Zealand. Can you search for Australia?
Sir, countries.
Australia is a country. It is a continent as well as a country. दोनों का काम करती है.
Sir, can we do quiz?
नहीं बेटा, we will continue with math. We will do the exercise. In the GK period, we will do something else. Okay.
Sir,
Sir, can I tell about America? There are so many cards. It will take a lot of
चलो
time.
चलो, tell me about America.
Sir, it is about area, population, highest point in neighboring countries.
Okay, tell me the area of America and compare it with India. What is the area of America and what is the area of India? Please compare it.
Sir, area of India is 32,87,590 kilometer per square. And sir, of United States of America, it's 96,29,091 kilometer.
That means it is almost 3 times the area of India. They are having a lot
Yes,
of
sir.
land. America
Yes, sir,
has
but
a lot
the
of land.
population of India is more than America.
What is the population of America?
Sir, 331.0 million.
331.0 million. And what is the population of India? It's not in millions,
Sir,
it's in billions.
no, sir, it's in million, but 1380.0 million.
1380.0 million.
0.0 million.
So we can say that it is in billions. It is
Yes, sir.
1.38 billions.
Yes,
You can
sir.
say that it is 1.38 billion. Very nice. All thanks to all of us. We have such high population. We all are contributing in the population of India. Is it good to have such high population or not?
No, sir, it is not
No,
good.
sir.
It's
No, sir,
not.
it is not good.
Can you tell me why?
Yes, sir, it is not good. Because we have to do deforestation due to this.
Very good. And what else? Very good, very good. यार तुम लोग तो इतने इंटेलिजेंट हो, सब कुछ तुम्हें पता है. और बताओ क्या नुकसान है हाई पॉपुलेशन का?
Ma'am, sir, due to corona.
Sir,
Sir,
global
sir,
warming,
corona.
pollution.
Sir, corona.
Because of high
corona.
population, we have to face global warming. अगर high population
Sir,
होगी तो global warming
corona.
ज्यादा हो जाएगी because of use
Sir,
of resources. Resources का
Sir,
use बहुत
corona.
ज्यादा होता है. Do you know what are resources? For example, electricity, water, natural resources भी होते हैं, man-made resources भी हैं. Electricity is man-made. ठीक है?
Sir, corona.
We generate electricity. हाँ.
Sir, in
Sir,
GK
there
class
is corona also.
GK quiz.
हाँ,
Sir, there is
कोरोना भी
corona also.
हाँ बेटा, हाँ कोरोना भी बढ़ जाएगा उससे. And the second thing, it is very very difficult to handle such high population for the government also. Government को भी इतनी ज्यादा population के लिए सबको सारी facilities provide करना भी बहुत मुश्किल है. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
एंड प्लस एक दो पॉइंट्स आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे बताए थे. पॉल्यूशन भी बहुत होता है इतनी हाई पॉपुलेशन की वजह से, है ना. एंड व्हाट एल्स, और डिफॉरेस्टेशन भी एक बच्चे ने पॉइंट बोला था. एम आई राइट? डिफॉरेस्टेशन, बिकॉज सबको रहने के लिए जगह भी चाहिए. अब जगह चाहिए तो यानी कि फॉरेस्ट को काट करके वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इन रेसिडेंशियल एरिया, so that means deforestation will occur. And what else?
We use very petrol and diesel.
हाँ, we use the resources. पेट्रोलियम बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए हमको. जितनी ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन उतने ज्यादा पेट्रोल और डीजल का यूज होगा. वेरी गुड. एंड
There are many students studying in a school and books, notebook also are coming from free.
Okay बेटा, I think we should start the exercise now. करें start? चलो बहुत अच्छा, आज हम सबको पता चला that population के बहुत सारे drawbacks भी हैं, although कुछ फायदे भी हैं, थोड़े बहुत फायदे भी हैं, ज्यादा नहीं है, हैं। क्या फायदे हैं? कोई फायदे बता सकता है पॉपुलेशन के, हाई पॉपुलेशन के फायदे क्या हैं? व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स?
Sir, I can tell the benefits.
Yes, please.
High population means high unemployment rate. So sir, employment rate is high, so country economy also high.
हाई पॉपुलेशन से अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट हाई होता है, तो
No sir,
एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी, एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट एक्चुअली एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट हाई नहीं हुआ। वी हैव गुड मैन पावर यानी कि वी हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्किंग पीपल इन द कंट्री। जितनी ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन होगी उतनी ज्यादा वर्किंग पीपल होंगे, तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट हाई है बट एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट हाई नहीं है। एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट हाई होने का मतलब ये है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को जॉब मिलती है, ऐसा नहीं है। जॉब तो सबको मिलना चाहिए, है ना, और एवरीवन शुड गेट अ जॉब, शुड गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट, ठीक है, बट everyone is not getting employment because of high population. Although because of such high population there are a lot of people who are working, who are employed, but बहुत सारे ऐसे भी हैं who are unemployed. Unemployed का मतलब ये है कि वर्किंग नहीं है, वो चाहते हैं जॉब करना लेकिन नहीं है उनके पास, so that is a bad
Sir,
thing. But yes,
sir, we can survive like this also. Sir, can I
sorry?
tell?
Yes.
Sir, when the all peoples are getting jobs, so they are cutting trees for everything, and if there will be no trees, there will be no food, and there is no use of job. We get money, so what we will buy from that? There is no food, so like this, sir, we have to save trees by saving environment.
Okay, beta, I think you tried your point. Good. चलो, one more benefit of high population मैं बताता हूँ। Because इतनी high population है तो हमारे जो defense है, यानी कि the army, air force and navy, उसमें बहुत सारे वर्कर्स हम रख सकते हैं या नहीं रख सकते हैं? बताइए, इतने सारे लोग हमारी कंट्री की डिफेंस में काम आ सकते हैं, राइट?
But if we do not have population, so sir, what army, sir, what army anywhere in the world?
Sorry?
So how do we? Sir, if it will be population, there is no army and government.
बेटा, भव्य रस्तोगी, your voice is not coming clearly. It is taking again and again.
If it will, sir, it will be no army and no government. And if will be no government or army, it will not announce to battle with the other country.
चलो let's start the exercise. We are starting exercise 5.5, everyone. So question A, you all can write the answer in the book. Find any two factors of the given numbers.
Sir, I have done.
24 के कोई भी दो factors लिखना है. That means you have to think of any two numbers जिनके टेबल में 24 आता है. कौन से दो numbers हैं जिनके टेबल में 24 आता है, बताओ.
Sir, they are 2 and 3.
2 and 3 दोनों के टेबल में 24 आता है. 3 और 4 के टेबल में भी आता है. 6 and 8 के टेबल में भी आता है. Am I right or not? So you can write any two factors. मैं बहुत सारे लिखता हूँ. You can choose any two. कोई भी दो लिखने हैं. You can choose any two out of these. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 and 1 also.
Sir,
So all
please tell
these are
again what we have
factors
to
of
do in this
24.
exercise.
Sorry?
Sir, please tell again what we have to do in this exercise.
बेटा we have to write any two factors of 24. 24 के कोई भी दो factors आपको लिखने हैं. So write any two. मैंने बहुत सारे लिखे.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 5.4 exercise.
5.5.
Okay, sir.
Exercise 5.5. 5.4 we have already done.
Yes, sir.
So this is 5.5. So write any two factors of 24. कोई भी दो लिख लो बेटा. इसमें मैंने बहुत सारे लिखे हैं. Okay. Second one.
Sir, I have written 2 and 3.
Very good.
Sir,
36
one
K.
can, sir,
Sir, 4 and 9.
4 and 9.
Sir,
Very
4
good.
and 9.
4, 9.
4
Even
and 9.
6 is also a factor of 36. 3 is also a factor. 2 is also a factor. So write any two factors of 36.
Sir,
जो
it
भी
is
आपको पता है.
sir, just this is the exercise. It is too easy. Or we have to find the factors.
12.
Sir,
Just
I
two
have
factors of 12.
for 12, I
2,
have written
6,
2 and 6.
12, 3. Very good. Write any two factors of 12. मैंने बहुत सारे लिख दिए. Just choose any two. अच्छा चलिए मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. अब what you have to do, everyone. I am going to start the chat box. Okay. I have enabled the chat box. What you all have to do. ये क्वेश्चन फोर्थ पार्ट है. एवरीवन शुड पार्टिसिपेट इन इट. जस्ट राइट टू फैक्टर्स ऑफ एनी टू फैक्टर्स ऑफ 8 इन द चैट बॉक्स. चैट बॉक्स में आंसर देंगे सारे बच्चे. एवरीवन गिव योर आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स. जस्ट
मुझे लिखना.
गिव
Sir,
एनी
of
टू
the exercise
फैक्टर्स.
number 1.
सॉरी बेटा अलंकृता.
Sir, of exercise A.
हाँ एक्सरसाइज ए का फोर्थ पार्ट 8. जस्ट राइट एनी टू फैक्टर्स ऑफ 8 इन द चैट बॉक्स. ओके. All of you start writing in the chat box. Give your answer in the chat box. Just write any two factors of it. I am waiting for your answers. Absolutely correct. Almost everyone has given the correct answer. Let's move on to the next one. What is the next one? Which number is there? The number is 15. Write any two factors of 15 in the chat box. All of you again give your answer in the chat box. 15 के कोई भी दो factors. Okay, have you all done all the parts? 15 के factors हो गए 1, 3, 5, 15. Sixth part is 25. 25 के factors 1, 5 and 25 itself. Any doubt? All of you. Choose any two. I hope there is no doubt. Let's do the next question. Question B. I hope you all have written your answers in the book. Everyone, may I remove it from the board? बेटा बच्चों रिप्लाई कर दो प्लीज.
No, sir. No,
नहीं
sir.
हटाऊं, नहीं हटाऊं. अच्छा ठीक है बेटा, ठीक है, डरो मत, नहीं हटा रहा हूँ. Let's do question B. Again, it is to be done in the book. Find out which of the given numbers is divisible by 6. बस ये बताना है divisible by 6 or not. First part 54. How will you check the divisibility of a number by 6? So 54 is divisible by 2 or not? 54
Please
is
scroll up 1 minute. Sir, please
Divide-
scroll up 1 minute.
ये लो बेटा, ठीक है. 54 is divisible by 2 or not? जल्दी बताओ.
Yes, sir.
It is divisible by 2? Yes. तो यहाँ
Yes,
पर
sir.
आया.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And 54 is divisible by 3 or not? कैसे चेक करेंगे 54 को 3 से? आप 5 plus 4 करके देखेंगे. What do you get? 9. So हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 54 is divisible by 3 also. दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है. देखो यहाँ पे भी टिक आ गया, यहाँ पे भी टिक आ गया. Am I right? So 54 is divisible by 6 also. Clear or not?
Clear.
क्या लिखेंगे? Yes. आंसर लिख लो बेटा. Yes.
Sir, 3 वाला is not divisible.
3 वाला is not divisible. कौन सा? Third part. You mean to say third part?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely correct.
First and second are yes, and the last one is no.
अरे पहले से ही पता है सब कुछ इन बच्चों को, मैं तो बेकार ही पढ़ा रहा हूँ. 72. 72 is divisible by 2 or not?
So it is divisible.
Disable.
Disable नहीं बेटा, divisible. Divisible by 2.
Divisible.
Disable मत कर देना. 72. Now how will you check by 3? 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Yes, मजा आ गया. So 72 is divisible by
Disable.
3. आया समझ में?
Sir.
72 is
Yes, sir.
divisible by 3. 3 से तो डिवाइड हो रहा है. Is it divisible by
And
6
6
also?
also.
देखो यहाँ पे टिक हो गया. 2 से भी हो रहा है, 3 से भी हो रहा है. मजा आ गया. So yes, 72 is divisible by by 6.
6.
Answer again? Yes. Third part. Please.
Not two. So it
Son.
is not divisible.
No, it is not
Sorry.
divisible.
Divisible.
Third part. The number is 27. 27 is not divisible by 2. Oh,
Because
not
there is
divisible by
not divisible by 2 and 3 both.
but it is divisible by 3. 27 2 3 से डिवाइड होता है.
Yes, sir. Yes.
बट यहाँ तो दोनों
But
से डिवाइड होना
not
चाहिए.
2. Not 2.
तो यहाँ तो टिक आ रहा है. सॉरी, यहाँ नहीं आ रहा है. फर्स्ट वाले में, फर्स्ट वाले में क्रॉस हो गया. सेकंड वाले में टिक आया. सो वी विल से दैट इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 6 और नॉट. 27 इज नॉट divisible
No.
by 6. Not divisible by 6. Answer no. Do you all get the reason why no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. check the divisibility of the following numbers by 9. C part अपने आप करेंगे बच्चे, छोटे
The
छोटे
first is not.
Okay, sir.
बच्चे। पहले से ही सब कुछ पता है इन बच्चों को, क्या करूं मैं तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
Sir, in C part, first is yes, second is no, and third is again yes.
अरे
Yes, sir.
वाह, वेरी नाइस।
हाँ, रूम में तो नहीं है, रूम में तो नहीं है।
बेटा अनमोल, कौन रूम में नहीं है बेटा? Please, all of you, please start your videos, everyone. Thank you. देखिए मैंने आप लोगों ने मुझसे कहा था कि सर प्लीज यू विल टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो। आई स्टार्टेड माय वीडियो यस्टरडे। मैंने आप लोगों को अपना फेस दिखाया। नाउ आई एम आल्सो रिक्वेस्टिंग यू, प्लीज एवरीवन कीप योर वीडियो ऑन। So we have one more period today, GK period.
Sir,
Very
in
good.
that can be GK quiz.
बेटा we will see what we are going to do. Let's see क्या करेंगे। वामिका बेटा, where do you live? कहाँ रहते हो आप?
Bरेली।
अरे बरेली में तो, बरेली में which place? Do you know the colony in which you live? Colony area?
Yes, sir.
Which area?
मणिनाथ।
अरे वाह, Madinath, very nice. My friend, I have a friend. He also lives in Madinath. His name is Ashish. Do you know him, Ashish?
The Ashish Chacha is my Chacha.
Sorry, Ashish.
So my father's brother name is also Ashish.
Ah, okay, very good. So, is your father's brother? That means your Chacha. Is he my friend? वही तो नहीं है कहीं? Same तो नहीं है?
No, sir.
अच्छा, different होंगे।
He lives in my home. He
अच्छा
lives in
अच्छा
Rajpuri, Nevada.
ओके।